Today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make my ultimate curry chicken salad. This salad is amazing. It's packed full of flavor and it's something that you are not going to want to miss. So let's just get in the kitchen and make this. Let's get this recipe started with 3 pounds of chicken. You can use chicken breast or chicken thighs. In this recipe, I'm using chicken thighs, and I am just drizzling it with some olive oil and then rubbing that in just to make sure all the chicken is coated with the olive oil. Then I'm going to lay my chicken out on a parchment-lined baking sheet. That just makes cleanup much easier and keeps all your dishes from staining, because now you're going to sprinkle it very liberally with curry powder. And what I mean by liberally is this. You want it on there nice and thick. Into a 350-degree oven, we are going to put our chicken and let that bake for about 20 minutes or so. As that's cooking, we are going to put half a cup of raisins into a food processor and grind that up until a soft ball starts to form. It's going to take about 10 to 15 seconds in the food processor for that to happen. And this is what it's going to look like when it's ready. Then we are going to add 2 12-ounce jars of mango chutney. And guys, this is the star of the show. You definitely want to make sure you get mango chutney. It makes all the difference in this recipe. Then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. Then we're going to give that a nice mix. And then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of curry powder, and we're going to give that another mix and let everything get nice and incorporated. And that is the dressing for our salad. So now we need to do the rest of the ingredients. So we are going to cut up 3 green onions, finely chopped. We're going to cut up 2 celery stalks, finely diced. And we're going to cut up a 1/4 cup of cilantro, and you want to give this a rough chop. You don't want it too fine, but you don't want any big pieces. Then we are going to do the same with 1 cup of cashews. You just want to give that a rough chop and make sure you don't have any huge pieces. Now we are going to cut up our cooled chicken into bite-sized pieces. You definitely want to do this on a plastic or non-porous cutting board because it will stain. Then you're going to throw all your ingredients into a giant bowl and give that a big stir. Sprinkle liberally with salt and pepper. Give it another big stir. Make sure everything's nice and incorporated, and then we're going to add our chutney sauce. And I ended up not using all of it. I probably used about 3/4 of it, so it'll leave a little bit left over, so you can either redress it as you're using it, or you can make some more chicken salad. But you want all those pieces nice and coated with the dressing. Then you are going to add 1 cup of mayo. Make sure you're using real mayo here and not Miracle Whip, because it will mess with the flavor big time. Also, you're going to add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. You're going to give that another big stir. And guys, we are in the home stretch because this is complete. And here is the final deal. I decided to pair mine with a pita pocket and some green leaf lettuce. And this is going to be amazing. It's so yummy. Alright guys, I showed you how to make my curry chicken salad, and I'm telling you, this is definitely one that you are going to want to make. If you take this to a potluck or a summer picnic, or just make it at home for your family to enjoy, everybody's going to rave about this. This is so good. You simply have to try it. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. I have lots more great content where this came from. I also have some more recipes for you to check out over here. So please check those out for more great recipes like this one. And as always, I hope you all have a fabulous week, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.